Welcome. In this lesson we tackle ielts academic writing task 1, a process diagram, and build a band 9 level answer step by step. We will read the diagram, brainstorm it, plan it, and write the full response. Here is the task. The diagram describes the structure of a home smokery and how it works. We must summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features, and make comparisons where relevant. Notice this is a process, so we describe how it works, and we give no opinion. Let's study the picture. A home smokery is a mostly underground structure with 3 numbered sections. On the left, fresh air flows in through a lidded opening and down a deep shaft. In the middle, that air reaches a chamber of logs and an open fire. On the right, a pipe carries the smoke up into a box above ground level, where fish hang and are smoked. Air goes in, smoke comes out. Before writing, remember what a task 1 process needs. Paraphrase the question in your introduction. Then give an overview of the main features, and this is the single most important sentence for your score. After that, describe the stages in order. Do not add data that is not shown, and do not give your opinion. Now let's brainstorm the 3 stages. Stage 1. Air intake. Fresh air enters at ground level through a hinged lid and is pulled down a deep shaft. Stage 2. Combustion. An adjacent chamber, also with a lid, holds logs and an open fire, and the incoming air feeds the flames to make smoke. Stage 3. The smoking box. An inclined pipe carries the smoke upward into a sealed box above ground, where fish hang and are cured. From that, the overview writes itself. The smokery is mostly underground. It has 3 connected sections. There is a single one-way flow, air in, smoke out, and the whole purpose is to smoke and preserve fish. Capturing these main features first is what lifts your task achievement score. Here is the plan. A 1-sentence introduction that paraphrases the task. An overview of the main features. Body paragraph 1 covering stages 1 and 2, the air intake and the fire. And body paragraph 2 covering stage 3, the pipe, the box, and a fish. 4 short paragraphs, that is all you need. Let's write. The introduction, paraphrased in 1 sentence. The diagram illustrates the layout of a home smokery and explains the way in which it is used to smoke fish. Notice we replace describes and structure with our own words. Now the overview, the key paragraph. Overall, the smokery is a largely underground structure made up of 3 connected sections, through which air and smoke travel in a single direction. Fresh air is drawn down into the system, passes over a wood fire to generate smoke, and this smoke then rises into an above-ground box where the fish are cured. No numbers, just the big picture. Body paragraph 1, stages 1 and 2. At the first stage, fresh air enters through an opening at ground level that is protected by a hinged lid, and is pulled downwards through a deep vertical shaft before traveling sideways into the second chamber. This central chamber, which is also fitted with a lid, houses a pile of logs and an open fire. As the incoming air feeds the flames, the burning wood produces a steady supply of smoke. Body paragraph 2, the final stage. The smoke is then channeled away from the fire through an inclined pipe, rising as it travels. It finally emerges inside the 3rd section, a sealed box situated above ground level, where several fish hang from a rail near the top. Surrounded by the rising smoke, the fish are gradually smoked and preserved, completing the process. Why does this reach a Band 9 standard? Task achievement. A clear overview and accurate stages, with nothing invented. Coherence. A logical order with clear linkers. Lexical resource. Precise process verbs like drawn down, channeled, and cured. And grammatical range. Passive voice and relative clauses used accurately. One honest note. Band 9 here is an internal quality assessment against the public descriptors, not a certified examiner score. That is a complete Band 9 level answer, from reading the diagram to the final sentence. Read the model again, notice the overview first structure, and try writing your own version. Thanks for watching, and good luck in your exam.